Hey El Paso, this is Dr. David of El Paso Manual Physical Therapy, and I've got 5 natural neck treatments that you can try before ever considering having to have neck surgery or taking pain medication all the time for your neck. Number 1, massage. You can of course do massage like where you're rubbing your own neck. If you've got some neck stiffness or neck pain, that will absolutely help to loosen up those stiff muscles. But I would really recommend taking it a step further and going to see a massage therapist, somebody who does this all the time. It makes the world of a difference. And even if you're not the massage type, just communicate with your massage therapist. If you've never been to a massage therapist, just talk to them. Most of them are gonna ask you before they even start, what do you like to have done? Do you like me to be a little more forceful or more gentle when I'm doing the massage techniques? And you could just tell them to start out gentle, and if you can tolerate it, get into some deeper massage. Now you want to be sure to talk to somebody who's experienced, somebody who maybe even works with people that have pain or problems, because they're going to be more sensitive to working with your type of problem. And if you need a recommendation, please reach out to us. Tip number 2, stretching. A lot of people do neck stretches already, and there's tons out there on Google. They might work for you if you tried them out. But here's my expert recommendation, and we give these to clients sometimes just because they're pretty effective. I'm not a fan of stretching as hard as you possibly can and holding it, especially using overpressure like from your hands. Like you see this one done a lot, and I really don't like it. And the reason is because there's actual research, and we see it happen in person too, where when you apply a hard, forceful stretch for a long period of time on a muscle, it actually gets weaker. What we tend to see is that people that have neck problems also have weak neck muscles, and so if you're doing something like a big, long, forceful stretch, it could feed into the neck problem by making your neck muscles weaker. So here's how we recommend you do a neck stretch. First off, get good at making a double chin. So just make like a half double chin, a baby double chin, and start from there, because that's gonna line up your neck correctly, and then just go through the normal motions that your neck should be able to do. I'll cover them for you. Do a few reps. I recommend somewhere between 5 and 10 reps. So baby double chin here, and then you nod down like that, and then you're gonna look all the way down, as long as it doesn't hurt you. So just like that. And then go sideways, where you side bend, not rotate. So you keep your chin down a little bit, and then bring your ear to your shoulder, like so. And I'm going as far as I can go there. That's comfortable. And then go the other way as well. You might even get some pops and clicks. As long as they're not painful, that's okay. Keep the chin down again, then you're gonna rotate as far as you can go. And you wanna control this. Make sure to not throw your head over. And with any of these motions, it needs to be a controlled motion. And this is hands-free. Do not apply overpressure, because that's putting that big, long, forceful stretch on you. And then the last one is looking up. This one I rarely tell people to do. There's certain occasions where it's appropriate, but you want to start with that chin tuck again. It's going to untuck, but start from there, and then you lean your head back and look up. And always go slow. Don't just throw your head back there. That could cause some problems in your neck if you've already got an active problem. Tip number 3, posture. We get asked all the time by our clients that have desk jobs, especially the ones that are in the medical field, in law, or in finance. We have a lot of those types of clients. They want to know, what's the best posture that I should be in for my neck, because I have to work at a desk and at a computer. And before I go into the specific position that your neck should be in, I just want you to understand that sitting or standing for long periods of time is just not a good thing. It's not the actual sitting or the standing, it's just being still. Because we have people that have a transitional desk where they can stand and sit, and yes, that's absolutely better, it's helpful, but if you're stuck in front of that desk for 30, 60, 90 or more minutes at a time, it is just not good. You need to build in some breaks in your work. Doesn't have to be long, maybe 10, 20, 30 seconds, where you just do some stretching, do like those neck stretches that I showed you, get up and move around, go to the bathroom, go get a glass of water, do some movement. That's better. Because now going back to the posture, here's the thing about posture, is even if you're in the perfect good posture that you should be in for your neck, if you're there for a long period of time in a good posture, it can still cause neck problems. The thing is, our bodies are meant to move, and if you're sitting still, even if you're in a good posture, it is not good for you. With that being said, understand that movement is key, but here's the neck posture that you should try to take as much as possible. You're gonna do a max double chin so that you can feel those muscles in the front of your neck, kind of behind your throat working, and then back off about 50%, about halfway, so that you're just a little bit knotted down, and that's the position you should be in. You might feel a stretch on the back of your neck. That's okay, that happens. And you should feel the muscles kind of behind your throat very lightly working, very lightly. Shouldn't be anything that strains you. It's the same muscles that fire when you do that max double chin. Try to take that posture whenever you're working at the desk, or driving is another time that people don't do that very well. Tip number 4, using a mobile device. Making sure that you use your smartphone or your tablet appropriately is a big deal. There's a lot of people that have neck problems associated with this. They're even coming out with a term called text neck, where you're texting so long or so much that your neck starts to hurt. There's a very simple solution that we tell our clients, and it may make your arms tired, but I'd rather take tired arms than a sore, stiff neck any day. You got the phone right here and your head is looking down to be able to take care of whatever you're doing there. And all you got to do is bring the phone up or the tablet up to about face level and work on it from there. And yes, your arms are probably going to get tired. That's okay. What you could do to help that out is sit somewhere or stand somewhere where you can rest your elbows on something like the table, so that you're not having to support the weight of your arm and the tablet or the smartphone, whatever it is. That will allow you to get into that good neck posture so that you're not sacrificing your neck posture with what you're doing. Now, your shoulder is designed to move in this direction, but your neck is not designed to hang out here for long periods of time. So make sure you bring the screen up to about face level. Tip number 5, talk to a neck expert. Somebody like myself, especially somebody that specializes in helping people avoid surgery and get off painkillers. What we can offer you is a very pinpointed solution. When people come and talk to us about their neck problems, we get to the bottom of it really fast, and we can tell them exactly what they should and shouldn't be doing. We also give them the right timeframes to know how long this neck problem should be there and by when it should be gone. This can save people a lot of time, a lot of trouble, and more importantly, prevent surgeries and prevent having to take medications that destroy our liver and other organs in our body. What we do here is a combination of all kinds of different treatment methods. They're all natural. We don't do anything invasive. Obviously, that's just not our training. And even if you've got a small neck problem that isn't bothering you a whole lot, that's actually the best time to get it addressed by a neck specialist, because it won't take that many treatments or that much time to address a problem. And what you'll learn here, you'll be able to carry with you for the rest of your life. Now, if you've got a more chronic neck problem, something that's been there for months and months or even years and years, if you're not at the point where you're about to get surgery, then absolutely we can help you out then too. Now, just understand it may take a little bit more time, but I'll take that if I can avoid having a surgery. Talk to somebody like us who specializes in helping people with neck problems with natural solutions. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Reach out to us if you have any questions. We're happy to help. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.